Hello, my name is Ben and I am from South Africa. I'm excited about the opportunity to teach English online. I have a strong background in sports and coaching, which has given me valuable experience in teaching, mentoring, and motivating students of all ages. Aside from teaching, I love playing sports, especially tennis, paddle, and pool. I also enjoy reading, traveling, and meeting new people from different cultures. I believe learning should be engaging, interactive, and tailored to each individual student's needs. My goal is to create a fun and supportive environment where students feel confident in improving their English skills. I'm passionate about helping others grow, and I'd love the opportunity to work with you. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Goodbye.